Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing a clip-in install using Kinky straight hair, the best hair that blends in with natural hair. So we're just going to press her hair out first and then add the clip-ins. Very quick video. I have a lot of videos doing a press. Same thing, because of her hair texture and curl pattern, I am using a pressing comb and then just my Babyliss flat irons. And I don't remember the inches. This is my second time doing this on her. I think the second time she may have had like 24-inch, I think. And I think we used like a bundle and some change. Might have used 2 full bundles. Can't really remember. Now I typically start in the middle to make sure it's even. That's why I had to redo this one, because it wasn't even on both sides. And she never put hers up, so I wasn't really worried about going too far to the edges. If someone is wanting to like put their hair up, because a lot of people that do clip-ins leave them in, at least the ones that I do the installs on, so they might want to put their hair up or whatever. If that's the case, you do not want to put the clip-ins close to the edge. And just like that, we are finished. Very simple install. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and TTYL.